Hey y'all, this is Fresh from Fire Backyard Living, where we're headed back down to Loganville, Georgia to Growers Outlet, probably one of my favorite places on the planet. And this time we're bringing a bunch of friends. So stay tuned, we're going to show y'all exactly what happened on our first and hopefully annual Gardeners Meetup at Growers Outlet. Now, if you've never been to Growers Outlet, you've got to make it down there. But it was one of the busiest and hottest days I've ever been there. Probably our fault because we invited a whole bunch of extra guests. But it was well worth it. The prices were great. The selections were great. And the fellowship was great. We were having a ball just hanging out and talking plants.
She's like, take some pictures. No, take some pictures. It just took so long to get here, driving the back roads, man.
I didn't know you were filming me.
I'm just going around.
Okay.
Trying to get this way to become 23, 36. I came up through Forsyth.
Then we could get across the street.
46 and
Who are you?
something.
Yeah, I came through Forsyth.
Covington in the back.
Yep. You know what?
That's where I came.
See, you know where it took me?
I think it's pretty cool. Everybody else, meeting up in the general area. Mm-hmm. Just here trying to be supportive.
Right.
Oh yeah, I think it's pretty fun.
Okay.
Every once in a while, everybody get together and come and do this. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
This is my favorite spot in the place because of the fact that there's a fan right there. This is where I stand while I see those plants shopping for everything to see. Gotta get, because this is the coolest spot in the place.
I said, I should record more, but I be really playing in the bar.
Yeah.
I said I was going to record more. I made just a video, probably about 3, whatever, right? I'm going to record. You could just do a 5-minute video.
There they go.
I'm gonna get in trouble, but it's good.
Get something.
Hey, that's all right.
Are you YouTubing now? Right, YouTubing right now.
Now, after a quick pit stop for some ice cream and cold drinks, we made our way down to our favorite spot down in Loganville, A Bite to Eat, and the food did not disappoint. Now, we had prizes where we were giving out a raffle all during the day, but we also had a gardening and grilling swap table. Well, basically, if you want something, you got to trade something. And our guests really enjoyed that. We had grilling stuff, gardening stuff, seeds, basting brushes, spray bottles, you name it. Whatever you wanted, you had to trade something though. But I made sure the guests who didn't bring something had something to trade. And to cap off the night, Bite to Eat had a band to come in and play. That's what they usually do during the warm months. And so we just sat back and enjoyed that and each other, got to know each other, and had a great time.
I'm missing point me to the nearest Walmart. Mommy G.
Simple syrup. Marble tablets makes the
We still cute.
And the big prize winners of the raffle went to That's My Art and her granddaughter.
Yay, we won. I get it. That's my art.
It was such a beautiful day and an amazing turnout. We couldn't have asked for anything more. We really want to thank everybody who came out and showed support. We love you all and hope to see you again next year.